After the final whistle blow, Manchester United defeated Manchester City by 2-1 in the final of 2023-24 season of oldest football cup in the history. Man United last won their FA Cup in 2016 by defeating Crystal Palace in extra time. Manchester United played really well in the final, and these 2 goals was scored by Alejandro Garnacho and Kobbie Mainoo. Garnacho scored his first goal and Mainoo scored his winning goal for his club, and he has become an integral in Man United. This young talented, along with his teammates, will fly to his national team to Germany for the international tournament for the very first time. Now United reached 13 times champion in the FA Cup tournament, while City only 7 times. So, Erik ten Hag was genuine masterclass and won 2 cups in 2 seasons. Hope ten Hag will remain in Manchester United next season and help United win again.